Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome. This is your CS Rajesh with a new video. In this video, we will learn how to make an application to the Office of the Registrar of Trademarks for registration of a trademark. So in order to make an application for the Registrar of Trademarks, you must have a user ID and password to log into the website. For creation of user ID and password, you have to click on the new user registration. Okay, so if you already have an account, you can just log in by entering your login credentials. Okay, yes, enter the password, then enter the captcha. Oh, in the captcha also we have the CS. Click on login. So once you log in, you will find various tabs here: new form filing, RTI, update application form, form history, payments, previous version e-filing, correspondence, control panel. So click on new form filing, then form TMA, trademark application form number A, and you will find three types of applicant here: individual, startup, small enterprises. So if you are a small enterprises and if you have an MSME certificate, in that case you will get 50% of concession in the fees payable. Okay, so I'll select individual, sole proprietor, click on that. Then you will find this tab where you're supposed to enter the class details. Okay, so class are nothing but based upon your business, there are various classification and numbers given to that classes, so you can select here. So 1 to 34 are the numbers for the goods and 35 to 45 is the numbers given for the services. So our object is IT services. So for IT services it is 42. Then you can submit. So once you submit, you will find the TMA, that is application form. So in the application form you should enter the details. So before you enter the details, you have to edit your applicant details. Click on edit. So in the applicant details, select the state. You have to select the state, the purpose of determination of jurisdiction, and also select the district. Then enter your mail ID. Then enter the legal status. What is your status? Whether you are an individual applicant or owner of whatever it is. Then this will decide the jurisdiction. Chennai is the jurisdiction. For what mark you are applying for registration, category of the mark. It can be color, it can be device, it can be shape of the goods, it can be sound mark, it can be 3-dimension, or it can be word. So we are going for word. Click on the word, and what is the word for which you need the trademark. So I'll take this name for example, and what is the language? English. So if there is any other language, then you have to provide the translation of that words language meaning. Okay, conditions are limitation, you can enter conditions are limitations. Then you have to provide the description of the class, the services. Okay, so class 42 is for what? Information technology. So I will enter information technology. Information technology. Click on update. So once it is updated, then there will be two options, whether it is proposed to be used. This trademark, is it proposed to be used or it's already in use? If you select it's already in use, second option, in that case you are required to provide an affidavit, okay, stating that you are using this trademark since particular period of time, which has to be notarized by the notary public in notary public. Okay, so if I click proposed to be used, means it's a new registration. Then you can provide other details here. Then you can click on save and resume. So after this, next step is attachment of documents. So attachment of document is, what are documents required? So if an applicant is an agent of somebody, or if he's an attorney of somebody, or he's applying for someone else, then he has to provide the authorization document. And if it is a startup, you are claiming to be a startup, you should submit a certificate in respect of startup. In case of small enterprises, you should submit a document in respect of small enterprises. Okay, and if you are claiming to using this trademark since there's a particular period of time, you must submit the user affidavit. Okay, so in our case nothing is applicable, cancel upload. Then go to the next option, preview. So here you will get preview, may you will get to know What is the fees payable? It is 4500. Trademark application for individual or a sole proprietor. So we will provide all these details here. So the next step is select to sign. So you can select to sign here. Then you can click here to sign. Then yes, you can select your DSC here. Select DSC. Then OK. Yes. So then you have to enter the password. Click on login. Then document signed successfully. So this is the document signed data successfully stored on the server for applications. Then go back. So then you have to make an payment. So once you make a payment, this is the application where you find the application which is digitally signed preview. So if you find, this is the application form. So once you make a payment here, your application form will be submitted. What is the payment amount? 4,500 rupees. So this is how you can make an application for registration of trademark to the Register of Trademarks. Thank you very much. See you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Keep learning. Dhanyavad.